Hi, I'm Helen, and I'm the crochet designer behind the Country Cottage CAL. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create the berry patch. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. The berry stitch works over a 2-row pattern repeat. The berries are always worked on the wrong side. I've already begun by chaining 23 and working 1 row of double crochet stitches. Turn your work and chain 1. This does not count as a stitch. Row 2 will be the first row of berries. Work 1 double crochet in the first stitch. Work 1 berry in the next stitch as follows. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 1 loop, yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over and pull through a loop, yarn over and pull through all 5 loops on the hook. Continue to work 1 double crochet followed by 1 berry stitch across the row. Turn your work at the end of the row and chain 1, ready to work a row of double crochet stitches in row 3. Continue to work 1 row of berry stitch followed by 1 row of double crochet stitch, as set out in the written pattern.